Welcome and welcome back to episode 2 of this weight loss journey, guys. I posted for the first time a YouTube video on my channel, and the support and the love and the comments that I've already gotten, y'all, every single last one of them just meant the entire world to me. Like, please know that. But we are episode 2, and please continue watching. I will put a link to the first one if you haven't seen that one already. And look, guys, we are going straight into the nitty-gritty. I am going to do a small video of like a full body workout tutorial, something that I do, just to kind of share that with you guys so you can see what I do. Right now I'm eating me a salad and it's like it's similar to a Greek salad, but instead of, it has lamb meat in it, basically. It has gyro meat. Gyro. You know, this is it. We are also, I want to show you guys a little bit of a haul. I'm hoping to be able to do that. I have things coming in, and hopefully by the end of the video, it'll be that day when I get everything and I will show it to y'all. Hey, what up everybody? I'm in my backyard and we're about to get into this workout. But before you guys start, I'm a beginner, so I'm not gonna be too hard on you guys, but always, you know, make sure that you guys are capable and in good shape to do this. Talk to whoever your healthcare provider is, and before you get into any physical activity. But by all means, have fun. I feel like you move your body, you burn some calories, you watch what you eat, you drink a lot of water, you are good to go. Take it from me. So first and foremost, everybody, thank you so much for coming this far into this video. I think I'm about done with this workout. I'm gonna go take a shower and go get myself some much needed rest. But yeah, make sure you guys eat better, like add some more veggies and fruits. Make sure that the foods that you eat already within themselves have a lot of water as part of it, like watermelons, like grapes, strawberries, like fruits, vegetables are like, please don't skip on these, you know what I mean? Like, and also I wanted to put out the message that not to be hard on yourself, be easy on yourself, love the journey, enjoy it, do things differently, experience new things, go new places and try different things. But at the same time too, as much as you're gonna have fun with this process, it's not gonna be easy. Don't think that it's gonna be. Don't expect it to be. It's a challenge, it's a journey. So for me, I have it in my mind right now where I want that everything that I do for it to correlate in some way with the goal that I have in my mind for myself. You know, like the more you deviate away from it, I'm not saying that to punish yourself if you do, but I'm just saying, like, make sure you put your absolute best foot forward, right? But I'm talking too much, I'm exhausted. But yeah, guys, put your best foot forward and remember your goals and pray and meditate. Put God first in everything that you do. Guys, and with the weight loss that I've experienced so far, I know I'm out of frame, but with that, I've come to realize that there's this drink that I have been using, or a mixture solution that I've made. It's all natural, no sugar. And it helps me a lot with detoxifying myself. Helps me use the bathroom really well.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
And if super hydrating, and you know, who doesn't need that? Like, I'm gonna show you guys, and in this next part is gonna be me showing you exactly how I make it. So we're starting with just 2 lemon, 1 whole pineapple. We're gonna cut that up later. We're gonna use the peel, some ginger, and some cucumber. Bring some water to a pot, 1/3 of the way full, and then we're gonna bring the peels into the pot so that way we can bring them to a boil. Now that it's done boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes, go ahead and turn that off, and we're gonna go ahead and strain the peels and separate that from the water. Now the chunks of the pineapple, we're gonna use about half of the pineapple. Now just eyeball everything, guys, and we're gonna use the lemon at the very end. We're gonna blend everything together, just eyeball it, use some ginger, some of the, you know what I mean, like y'all saw everything. You're gonna see. And please do not be like me. I was kind of messy right here, and clean that up. And here is the part that I totally forgot to show you guys. Actually, I lost the footage, but anyway, just pour some of the lemon after you're done blending it and straining everything out. We're gonna pour it up, and this is the mixture, guys. This is the secret ingredient that I've been using this whole past week, and I'm telling you, don't knock it till you try it. And here's the taste test. It has a very interesting flavor to it, but it's not bad. I don't know about y'all, but this is the moment I've been waiting for in this entire video, and that is this haul. I bought some stuff from Amazon, and most of them came today. I have a 2-piece that's supposed to come in tomorrow, but I have no patience for that. Most of everything is here, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got, y'all. And this is just workout clothes, tops and bottoms, because most of you guys who know me, and if you know me at work, if you know me at, you know, my family, the same things I wear at home for errands, they double up as work clothes, they double up as gym clothes. Like, that is not okay. So I'm really serious about this. So I feel like it was good to invest in a couple pieces that I can wear for my videos. Yo, okay. This is what I got. This is the packages, what they came in. 2 separate packages. I have one more, like I said. That'll be coming in tomorrow. You guys are just gonna see it randomly at another day. But we gotta open this. I'm gonna open up right now. I struggle with these stuff. Alright. So everything will be linked down in the description box. This is 4 crop tops, plain, simple basics that I feel like anybody and everybody's gonna need in their workout. Videos, everybody's gonna need some. It comes in 4 different colors. I have, you know, a white. It comes in green, like a army green, dark green, and this is like a brown taupe color. I know I have poor video quality or whatever, but yeah. And then this is the last one in black. Don't mind me, guys. I'm new to this. They're just basic crop tops, racerback crop tops that to wear for your workout. So this right here, what is you? What you is? Okay. Another crop top racerback that doubles up as a sports bra. And I'm excited about this because I don't like necessarily having to wear a sports bra and then a top. And if I could get them both together, let's get it. These 4 don't come padded. This one does. And the material is super thick. It feels very sturdy. I don't see this fading or going bad anytime soon. All right, next piece. I wish these would fit. What size was this? What size is you? This is a size medium. Oh my gosh. You know, I hope these fit because I I'm packing a little bit. I think they will. And then I just have 2 more things. Like I said, this is just quick and easy. And for the summer, I stuck to shorts mostly. That way, you know what I mean? It's gonna get hot. We're gonna go for runs. This one I actually really like, y'all. It comes with 2 little pockets on each side where you can put your phone. It has one of like the little secret pocket right here. You can slide your keys in there. And now last but not least, I am going to show you this dark purple. This is in the, also, it's called Italian plum, and it's in the size large. Ooh, this is cute. This is cute. This comes also with 2 pockets on the sides that you can slide your stuff in, and it also has that little secret compartment, which I actually really love. I use them. Whenever pants have these in it, this is great for me. It is now the next day, and I know I told you guys I had one more piece that I was waiting for, that was coming in from Amazon, and it is here. I really would have felt bad if I just didn't add this to the video of the haul. So here it is. It is a seamless bottom and top combination, super stretchy. The material seems like really, really thick. Like, this band is thick and I love it. It has no pockets or anything like that, but that's all good. And here's the top, also super stretchy, and it has band at the bottom of it too. So yeah, time for this weigh-in, y'all. 193.2. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna finish the video off here and say that thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and please turn on your post notifications. That way you can know whenever I post something new. And I plan on posting every single week, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love.